In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a virtual credit card for free trials in 2025. Now, virtual credit cards are a fantastic tool for trying out services without worrying about charges sneaking up after a free trial ends. They offer a layer of protection and flexibility, allowing you to manage your online subscriptions easily. So, if you're ready, let's dive right into the steps. First, we're going to head on over to the dashboard of Free VCC by visiting their website. This platform is specifically designed to provide virtual credit cards, which you can use for your trials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will ensure the process goes smoothly. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to look for the register button. It might be prominently displayed, generally either at the top of the page or somewhere easy to see, so you can't miss it. Click on register to begin your journey of setting up a new account with Free VCC. Now, it's time to enter your account details. You'll be required to type in your email, choose a username, and create a password. Be sure to choose a secure password. A mix of letters, numbers, and special characters is always good practice. After entering your details, click on the sign up button to move forward. Remember, the stronger your password, the safer your account will be, so don't rush through this step. After successfully signing up, you'll be prompted to log in as the next step. Head back to the site and click on the login button. Use the credentials you just created to access your new free VCC account. This is where you'll be able to manage your virtual cards and see all the options available to you, so ensure you log in correctly. Now that logging in is complete, the next action is to navigate to the highlight section of the dashboard. On the free VCC dashboard, you'll find a highlight button or option. This could be a featured link or section that gives you a quick access point to the functionalities you need the most. Clicking on this will direct you to where you can create and manage your virtual credit cards. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you now have access to a virtual credit card, which you can use for any free trials you're interested in exploring. This means no more worrying about canceling your subscription at the last minute or forgetting about auto billing. Enjoy your trials with peace of mind and a newfound simplicity. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this. See you in